Welcome to Zeninbox. API keys allow secure access to integrate Zeninbox with other applications and automate workflows. How to generate an API key? Go to Settings in Zeninbox. Click on the API key section. Click the Generate button. A new API key will be created instantly. Click the copy icon to copy the API key. Managing API keys. Enable or disable API keys. Click the three-dot menu next to the API key. Choose Disable to temporarily deactivate access. Choose Enable to reactivate a disabled key. Delete API keys. Click the three-dot menu and select Delete. Confirm your action to remove the key permanently. Why use API keys? Secure authentication. Protect access to your data. Seamless integrations. Connect Zeninbox with external apps. Full control. Enable, disable, or delete keys as needed. Thank you for using Zeninbox. Keep your integration secure with API key management.